Hey, Crunchified Clean friends! In today's car cleaning chat talk, we're going to talk about something that drives people crazy. Glass shower doors. Now, first to talk about glass shower doors and the water etching that's on it or water marks on it that drives people crazy. Water pressure. Take, for example, Niagara Falls. You got millions of gallons of water hitting against rocks to the point that it will chip away rocks, it'll break rocks, it will open up, it'll cause a pathway. Rivers cause streams, they will cause a trail through rocks. That's how strong water pressure is, where it can actually break through strong objects. When you look at the Delaware River and as the water's receding, you'll see the striations in the rocks of the water receding. That's how strong water pressure can be. Now, obviously, when you're taking a shower, it's not as strong as the Colorado River or Niagara Falls. But it's the same concept where water pressure is hitting against glass. And over time, it may etch the glass. And not just the water pressure, but the minerals and the calcium and all the chemicals that are found naturally in water can eat away at your glass. Now, I'm not talking about when you clean your shower door a couple times a week or you wipe it down a couple times a month or a couple times and you maintain it, but you do see some, splatter of soap and shampoo and you wash it off and you clean it and it's clean. That's fine. That's totally normal and that's fine. Your glass shower door is never going to be like brand new the way it was when it came out of the showroom, only because obviously it's being used. But if you go months or even years, I've seen some homes years where the glass shower is not once touched ever, you're going to find that it's going to be etched. And I'm talking about when you have that glass shower that is so white, hazy, that no matter what you use, it will not come off. By the way, like and comment if you want to know some really cool ways to clean your glass shower. But if it's past that normal cleaning period and it's etched on where no matter what you use, it won't come off, it's because it's etched on. The actual calcium and minerals found in water has chipped away at the glass, not to the point that you're going to cut yourself, but it's ruined your glass. It's etched away. Same concept of like Niagara Falls eating away at rocks, etching away at it, leaving little striation marks on it. It's the pressure of the water. It's the calciums. It's the mineral deposits. It's actually ruined the glass. And when it gets to that point that no matter what you've used to clean, it won't come off, you need to have it replaced because now the glass is ruined. So water can be very, very strong. And that's why you really need to maintain keeping clean your glass shower door. So like and comment if you want to know more tips. Thanks, Chris.